Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know it has been long. I'm so sorry guys. I'm busy. I'm I'm busy building my business. Yes, and I'm going to school. Yes, going to school of cosmetologist. And yes, so guys, today I'm going to be talking about hyperpigmentation because this is one of the skin conditions that has been disturbing everyone or most. Yes, most of my, let me just say 95% of my clients, they all have hyperpigmentation. They are battling with hyperpigmentation. They are dealing with hyperpigmentation. Even me, I sometimes deal with hyperpigmentation. Like as you can see, I have hyperpigmentation on my neck, which I am treating currently, and it is the product I'm using is working super fine. And I'm going to be showing you the two products that I'm using to treat my hyperpigmentation. And here I have the first product is hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a powerhouse for hyperpigmentation. Let me tell you something, they have a lot of products you can use to treat your hyperpigmentation, but the super gold is hydroquinone, the 4% hydroquinone. So this is what I'm using to treat my hyperpigmentation. Like I said, I'm using two treatments to treat my hyperpigmentation, but the powerhouse is hydroquinone because hydroquinone just helps to block this melanin. It helps to clear your hyperpigmentation. It helps to lighten up your skin. So this is the product I'm using. One of the products I'm using for my hyperpigmentation. So I'm using it from my face to my neck, right? So the hyperpigmentation on my face area, it has fully cleared. So I still have some hyperpigmentation on my neck, which I'm treating. I'm still treating, right? Remember, the face and your neck, the texture are different. You might be treating your face to your neck, and your face will get cleared on time, or maybe your neck is going to get cleared on time. So I'm using the I'm using the hydroquinone 4%, and I do this only at night time. Let me tell you something. You can use hydroquinone during the daytime, but I'm telling you this for free. Night time is preferable. So apart from the hydroquinone, I'm also using the tretinoin to treat my hyperpigmentation. Guys, your skin is not going to go bad. Your skin is not going to go wrong with tretinoin because tretinoin help to, like, it gives you this it helps with cell renewal. Like, it gives you this, it takes out the upper layer of your skin, which is a dead skin cell on your skin. It take it out and gives you this renewed skin. Your skin, the new skin, the inner skin just pop out looking all bright, looking all shining. And it also help with anti-aging. It also help with wrinkles. It also help with fine lines. Yes, if you're above 25, you should be using tretinoin in your skincare routine. So I use these two products to treat my hyperpigmentation. So tonight, let me just say, okay, yesterday night I applied my tretinoin, sorry, my hydroquinone. My hydroquinone. Sorry, yesterday night I applied the hydroquinone product, and tonight I'm going to be doing tretinoin. So this is how I do it. If I apply hydroquinone tonight, then the next night I will be doing tretinoin. Then the other night I will be doing hydroquinone, and the other night I will be doing tretinoin. That is how I'm treating my hyperpigmentation. And if you look at my skin is so spotless. I can tell you this for free. My skin is so spotless. Right now, I'm in Nigeria. Guys, right now, I'm in Nigeria. So, I'm into manual facials, treating of the skin. So if you want us to treat your skin, I can do this free for my old subscribers because I know it has been long. If you're in Lagos and you want us to treat your skin, just leave your comment on the comment section that you're interested. Then we can treat your skin for free. If you're fighting hyperpigmentation, dark spots, if you're fighting acne, we can do this for free for you. or my old subscriber, guys. So, guys, this is what has been helping me to treat my hyperpigmentation: hydroquinone and tretinoin. Let me tell you something: you must not use both of them together. You can do just only hydroquinone, and your hyperpigmentation are just going to fade away gradually, right? You can do only hydroquinone, but for me, I am doing both of them. I am doing both of them because my skin can actually tolerate it, because I also know how to layer both products together. And now, if you want to use hydroquinone and the tretinoin products together, if you don't want to get them separately, you can get the hydroquinone, the one they call the melanophrine, yeah? Melanophrine hydroquinone. It contains hydroquinone and tretinoin, okay? The melanophrine hydroquinone, it contains the hydroquinone, and it also contains tretinoin, which is two ingredients in one product. So you can use that one instead of getting two of them and be thinking of how to layer both of them together or how to separate each together. So just get the melanophrine hydroquinone cream. In that way, you are using two of these ingredients together, right? So, guys, if today is your first time if today is your first time of seeing my video, yes, I am Radiant Diva Skincare. We sell all types of skincare products. We sell our handmade skincare products. We also teach on how to make good skincare products. If you want to learn how to make skincare products, you can leave your comment on the comment section. And if you want free facials where we get to clean your face, where we get to exfoliate your face, mask your face. If you have a lot of acne on your face, we have to extract those acne on your face. If you have a lot of blackhead on your face, then we have to extract those blackhead on your face, giving you a very clear face, as you can see. So for those that want to partake in the free facial work, in the free facial treatment, just leave your comment below the comment section, and you get to meet me one on one, and you get to check out my skin, check out my face. If you can find any dark spot on my face, come on online and say it loud and say, ah, she have dark spot, oh, her face is not clear, oh." Now, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in my other next video. Bye.